So here's my JBL Xtreme I bought today. Turned up around about 3 or 4 hours ago. No doubt about it, the best speaker I've bought. The best thing that's out there. However, there is a problem, and I'm hoping it's a firmware problem and there's going to be a patch. I haven't seen anything else on the internet about this problem, but there's a definite hissing coming from the speaker, even when it's on the lowest volume it can be. I don't know if it's a fan. It sounds like some sort of static. I'll show you what I mean. I've disconnected my phone from the speaker because every time I turned it on, it's kind of affecting it. So I've just forgot device now. So when I turn it on, you should just hear it. So I'm going to move closer to the speaker, see if I can get that in there. And then I'm just going to hit the on switch and you'll hear the hissing start straight away. You get a little welcome tone. And then I'll turn it off. Hissing gone. Turn it on again, hissing will start after the tone. There's the hissing. You turn it off again and you'll hear it disappear. Gone. Really annoying, especially at low volume when you're just kind of chilling out with something. You can hear this static hissing. Anyway, I've emailed customer support. I'll post a reply and let you know what they say, but not great. Spoils an otherwise perfect speaker. Anyway, I'll get back soon.